From 1 year ago. Life was very hard for me. I was stressed and tired. Nothing seemed to be going right. I felt discouraged that God wasn't here. I didn't think he was hearing my prayers. One night I was praying and I said, God, if you're still with me, show me a butterfly. In America, we don't see butterflies. So I didn't really expect to see one. But I desperately needed encouragement. I went to sleep, and the next morning I woke up and went to work. There was a little girl. She was 6 years old. She drew me a picture of a princess. And she asked me what type of stickers I wanted on it. I said, surprise me. And she surprised me. When she brought the picture back, I was speechless. There was a butterfly on the princess's necklace. God was telling me that he was hearing my prayers. I had chills all over me, and I felt so much peace. He reminded me that he was there, and he was always there for me, even through the chaos. No matter who you are or where you live, he is there with you too. You just have to believe it. And I want you to take a second and think. Think about your life. Don't raise your hand, just think. Have you ever felt alone? Have you ever been scared for the future? Do you put other people or things before God? If you said yes to any of those questions, you do not have to feel like that anymore. I want you to know I'll be praying for every single one of you. I'll be praying that you find God-loving friends. You find peace by praying to God. And you commit yourself to his word. These 3 changes I made in my life restored me. And you can be restored too. So thank you for being here with me today. I'm so happy to see some of you again. I love you. And God loves you too.